Hey everybody, this is David here from What Would David Do? And today I'm just going to make a short little video. I am making some drawers for my Festool Systainers. So really quick and easy and simple way to make drawers for a shop. Let's see, it looks pretty good, but I want to get these Systainers put in here. And that's what I'm going to make, is this drawer system for here, so all these Systainers can be over here and not in a stack on the ground. Basically, you need this number here, which is 18 1/16. And I'm going to cut a couple of boards 17 1/16, so 1 inch smaller, because you have your drawer slides here that take up a 1/2 inch on each side. Since I made the drawer fronts to cover, I need the sides to just be as long as these boxes. And I made them a little bit bigger, but not much. So I went, these boxes measure about 11 5/8, and I went 11 3/4. So there is not much room for these boxes to slide back and forth again. Now when you have a setup like mine, you use the fence of the table saw for both things. And for two different things, the router table and the saw. So I'm gonna put a rabbet in this. The height is already set, I didn't change that. So the next step is to drill pocket holes in these two sides of this. These are the short ones, these are the side ones. So I'm going to line up this edge with the edge of the pocket hole here. And what that does is that centers these pockets almost perfectly on these pieces. Yeah, one of the quick and easy ways, I like to just lay a clamp down. Throw a little bit of glue on here. Lay this in there. Throw a quick easy clamp on it. Not moving, not going anywhere. Oh, probably ought to use this drill. Don't have to go crazy tight on those. So then I measure in here, and I've got 16 and an eighth. So I can add, I should have a 1/4 of an inch here and a 1/4 inch there. So you should have it half. So 16 and an eighth would be 16 and 5/8, but I always go 1/8 smaller. So I go 16 and a half, and that'll be plenty long to sit inside there. Go. Sit down when I do this. I'll try to kneel down. But put the front of them right there. Square off the front of the plywood so that I know it's square. Line it up so that it's level. Like I said, this is not fine furniture. I'm not trying to say that it is. This is shop cabinets. That's what I'm talking about. I get all of my Festool right there. So, well, I got 3 more to go, and I'll be done.